Meditation gives you the beautiful happiness, and vegetarianism or ahimsa will give you the beautiful health. Without vegetarianism and without meditation, there is no health, there is no happiness. This is science. I am not happy, I am not healthy. Okay, then obviously you are not a vegetarian. And secondly, even if you are a vegetarian, you are not a meditator. Or even if you are a meditator, you are not a vegetarian. And if you are both a non-vegetarian and a non-meditator, absolutely darkness in your life. No health whatsoever, no happiness whatsoever. So remember, what is spiritual science? Spiritual science is a formula. A plus B is equal to C plus D. C is health, physical health. D is happiness, emotional happiness, mental happiness, intellectual happiness. That happiness comes from meditation. And health comes from ahimsa, non-violence, vegetarianism. When you kill others, then those who kill by the sword will be killed by the sword in the Bible. So, as you sow, so you reap. When you give himsa to others, violence to others, suffering to others, of course you have to suffer. Violence is physical violence. So you are giving physical suffering to others. You will have physical suffering yourself. If you are not giving physical suffering to others, then you are not going to create any physical suffering for yourself. Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement is dedicated for the principles of spiritual science, for the propagation of the principles of spiritual science, for the teaching of the principles of spiritual science, for the practice of the principles of spiritual science.